Hello friends, in this video now I am showing how to turn off tag on your Facebook profile. That means if someone tags you, then it will not show up on your Facebook profile. First of all, it will ask you to give you a permission to add on your profile. To do it, open your Facebook app, then tap on three lines. Scroll down and tap on setting and privacy, then tap on setting, then tap on profile and tagging, and here you will get a review section. Under the review section, and now all you need to do, just enable the section, tap on here, and our work has been done. And from now on, if someone tag you on Facebook, then Facebook will send you a notification to review it. If you want to add this photo or status to your timeline, then you can add it or delete it.